Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I'm actor Brian Bamford. You might remember me from such films as Happy Birthday Carly, Happy Birthday Poppy. Also, Poppy pooped his pants. Well, I just wanted to make a new one called Happy Birthday Kaylee.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear. I don't remember.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear bird.
Happy birthday, dear bird. Happy birthday, dear Kaylee.
Happy birthday, dear bird. Big bird.
Happy birthday, dear Kaylee. Happy birthday, dear bird.
Happy birthday, dear Kaylee.
Happy birthday, bird. Happy birthday, dear Kelly.
Happy birthday, dear bird.
Happy birthday, Carly. Okay. Oh, jeez.
See, you're doped up on pain meds. Can't even remember who you're wishing happy birthday to.
Happy birthday, Kaylee.
Happy birthday, dear Kaylee.
Happy birthday to you. K to the A to the A-L-E-Y. Bird. Happy birthday.
And many more.
Come see us, Kaylee. You're not that far away. Hope you have a good birthday.
Woohoo, 21! Yay!
Happy birthday, happy 21st. It's such a special one.
Happy birthday. I love you. I love you.
Happy 21st birthday. Happy birthday. Bye.
The little bird is 21. Wish I was there to do a pina colada with you. Happy birthday.
Woohoo! Go have a drink. Have fun. Happy 21.
2-1. Way to go, bird. Happy birthday.
This one's on